Let's check it out. My daughter is in that place over there, Rustica. See, right there, she's over there. I don't know what's in there again. Another spending money. I'm just gonna start crying.
Mom, let's stop spending money over here.
Right, later.
Spend money at the store.
Right here. That's what's inside. Holy cow! Wow! Whoa! So many lights. This is so. Wow! Holy cow! Hi.
Hello, how are you?
Good. How are you?
Thank you.
Wow.
Where's Auntie?
They're here somewhere. Be careful. Oh my God! There's so many nice stuff in here.
I hear him crying.
Look at this. The whole set of. Oh my goodness! Amazing. Wow. Oh my God. I'm all shocked in this. Look at this. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is a whole set. So this is the whole set. It's 2,200 for this stuff on the table. This is crazy. Wow. Look at this. Pay 575 each of this one. Akong apo ay nagunsa naman taon eh. 1,160 kaning jar ba. Wala eh. May mangibalik din eh. Sus, kapangumpra lang ba na kay daghang kwarta. Kasayang. Kanisa siya nindot pagkayo. 90 pa. Sus, kanindot. Ay, kanindot ani eh. Wala man gini dito eh. Tanawa ilang butter. Oh, I wanna buy this. Just crazy how nice it is. Look at their batter. You put the batter on it. It's only $25. It's not bad at all. This is for salt. How do you put the salt? This is salt and pepper. $12. This is salt. Look at that. Grabe eh. Grabe. Yung salt and pepper. $5. Ano siya? This. What's this one? Tama pa na siya eh. Yung ano. Wow, look at this. That's so pretty.
These are all handmade.
Yeah, pwede na ka. You can buy just one only for $10. Not bad, not bad for a souvenir, right?
Mm-hmm.
When this one is, like I said, this is small.
Yeah.
It's easy to.
I just don't know which one I want to get.
Which one do you want?
Yeah.
Ah. Well, I wanna get one here. I wanna buy one, at least one thing from this store. Di ka nindot yun niya. Grabe ka nindot siya. Wala na siya phone. Ito ko na ko sa ikas. Hala eh. Mata-matahon ko din ako kapalitan nito. Ibang mata-matahon ka ba din ako kapakapalit na bukay. Asya eh. Tanawa ko lang. Grabe. Te kwarta papalit man tata ni kahat no. Bisa ko ato eh kumon man po kay itong usa eh. Kato siya ba? Kumon kay itong uban kolor. Di ko ato kumon nga kolor. Kani siguro palit na lang sila kaan. Ay, mahala pa doon kain ba yan? Palit na lang ako. Yeah. Okay, let me buy this one quick. I think this one.
Okay, go back.
Hi.
Hello.
Just wanna get these two things here.
Okay.
So you have such a very nice. Whenever this is our first time here, so
Your daughter, yeah, but she won't show her. So wait until she gets there.
I know.
Let me wrap this.
Oh,
Okay?
all right. Thank you. All right. There right now they're below 9 degrees. So
Oh, I don't need that snow on the winter. Let me tell you.
yeah.
¿Hablas español? No?
No,
No. Where's your background?
Philippines,
Oh, really?
Filipino.
Filipino. My God.
Yeah, we have. There's a part in the Philippines that they speak Spanish.
Oh, I heard that.
Yeah.
You used to be a